Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to transform Neighbor Mark's 2023 C8 Corvette by installing these three amazing mods. Enjoy. Neighbor Mark, what are you doing?
I am trying to keep the old lift running, man. I'm lubing up some of the joints. Take a look at this, man. I decided to go 1 VM.
Oh, nice.
Yep, a little bit more conservative for Neighbor Mark.
I like it.
Look at that, so it doesn't have the flip up here like the 5 VM. It's a 1 VM.
Awesome, man.
I can't wait. Here, watch. I'll test fit it here. So this baby will go right blank.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. I am here at Neighbor Mark's. Well, he's not really my neighbor anymore, but he's still Neighbor Mark to me. So we're here with his 2023 convertible C8 Corvette. It's a beautiful red mist, and we're about to put a bunch of ACS composite pieces on there. As always, in the description down below, you will see the link to ACS composite, and I will put the link to exactly everything that we're putting on his car today. All right, let's get working. So the first order of business today is actually not those side skirts. It's actually to take off this Z51 front nose piece and put on an ACS composite front splitter. Now he's not going with 5VM on the side, but he is going with a 5VM on the front.
And as you know, this is a Z51 front spoiler, but you get it when you get the low wing.
Exactly.
So I have a non-Z51 car.
For those of you who have never seen how easy this is, all it is these screws right here. You undo all of these. I think there's 20 or 21 of them, and that's it. See how fast that was?
Look at that.
He's all done.
Yep. And for those of you who haven't taken it off before, it actually comes in 3 pieces.
Yeah.
So to save room, you can take those bolts out and put them together, and so it's not one big piece.
Right.
So, all right.
By the way,
Yeah.
for the viewers that don't know what happened to this thing, it was on the front of my car. I hit a giant piece of concrete. Crap. Let's see what happened. Holy cow, how did this make it through that? I cannot believe the front splitter's here. You can see where it hit right here.
Yep.
And look,
It made it.
it did not
Destroy
mess
it.
this up at all.
There was just spider cracks in the paint, which you'd expect.
Right.
And
so that's a
refinished it.
testament
Oh yeah.
of ACS composite right there. That thing withstood a 70-mile-an-hour huge impact, and it's still going strong.
If that would have been the carbon fiber, I think it would have.
Oh, it would have, yeah, absolutely.
Evaporated.
All right, let's get it on there. Mark, that was way too fast.
I know, really fast and easy, wasn't it?
Look at that.
For the least amount of work, the most amount of bang for your buck. That's
is.
awesome. Yeah, and it's a lot easier when ACS sends it to you because it's already painted and you don't have to fool
Exactly.
around. Look at it, just matches perfectly now.
Look at that. That's awesome.
I clear coated it with this 2K Clear Glamorous Spray Max. It's awesome. You snap this in with the ring and shake it up for 2 minutes, and then it sprays like a spray gun. It sprays like a professional spray gun. Look at the finish on it.
Oh yeah.
And I didn't even polish that. That's just out. You just gotta lay it down wet. For guys who painted, you lay it down light the first coat, then go thick and heavy the last coat. So.
Awesome. So there we have the front splitter done. Now it's onto the side skirts. So what are you doing there, Mark?
Well, I'm just test fitting this piece. This is the piece of the shelf that holds it up with the self-stick tape. So you have this little groove right here. You can see the groove.
Yes.
And that's supposed to sit into the body line right there. Perfect. So you can feel it with your finger. And then you make sure that this is flush with the fender. Can't have it sticking out like this. You have to have it flush with the fender. And at the same time sitting in that little ridge there.
Sure.
You can kind of feel it. And then this has to line up with the body line right there. Hold this up, you know, it's screwed and riveted from underneath, right? But to keep it steady up top, you've got a combination of the foam tape that they give you, which will go like right here. And then you've got the double-sided tape, which I have over there, which will then go around the rest. The instructions show.
Yeah, I'm going to show them the instructions
Yeah, the
here.
instructions are pretty clear.
Yeah.
So Joseph, if you're watching, be easy. I know you do these about 10 in an hour. I'm going to do 1 in 10 hours. So no. But this will go from here to here. and cut it off at a 45-degree angle on this corner here, and then this foam tape goes here, basically just to kind of hold it up.
Perfect.
All right?
All right. So check it out.
Yep. So we got that on there.
We've got the foam on here now. It's wrapped underneath. And then we've got this piece that's very necessary to hold this up right here on the body line.
Joe, do you approve?
All right, so one thing we forgot to do, you gotta remove this rock guard because there's a screw under there. You guys will see. We have to take out, plus this piece here on the side skirts has to fit right up against this.
Yep.
So we'll take that rock guard off because we're installing new ones anyway.
And it's a 7mm, by the way.
7mm, okay. All right, so the side skirt is on. And now we just have to do the rivets in the bottom here.
The screws. Yep.
Now comes the hairy part, having to drill into those holes.
Oh, it's easy. It's easy. It's not even painted. It's just the black. Well, it is the painted under trim of it, but.
All right, well, we'll let you do it.
I'm just gonna jack it up a little bit, give myself a little bit more room.
All right, so Mark just installed the first rivet.
Look at that, like a glove.
Very nice. So we gotta install a bunch of rivets and then we'll be done with this thing. Somebody buy Mark a rivet gun because this thing is a pain in the butt with these back rivets that we have to do. Same thing on my car.
Yeah.
But these back here.
My old cheapo rivet gun may not be good.
Yeah, but all the rivets are in now. And it's time to install the front rock guard here. Check out the amazing packaging that ACS Composite does with their awesome parts. Look at that.
Nice carbon flash.
Yeah.
Paint.
Beautiful. All right, so this is the front rock guard here.
Two flanges.
Yeah, a couple of tabs there that go in right there and right there. And then those 4 pieces fit in these slots. All right, let's do it. All right, so this is the front rock guard installed.
Nice. Look how it goes down further than the stock one.
Absolutely.
So rocks are not going to get caught by this.
Yep.
See
I mean, they do get caught by it.
Why they do get it? Because
They
see how
stop
this
rocks from flying back.
the stock one ends here.
Yeah, exactly.
This one comes down. So.
Yep. Now it's time for the rear. All right, so we got the rear rock guard on.
Yep, it just snapped right in. That was easy.
Yeah, very easy.
Now you got the one screw here.
Look at that. We got one screw on the bottom here. And it goes right there, yep.
Thank you, Joseph. That was easy.
Yeah. So now we've got the rock guards on the passenger side, the side skirt, the rock guard on the front passenger side, and the 5VM front splitter, all installed in one setting. So that's how easy it is to install 3 modifications on your brand new C8 Corvette. I consider as must-have mods, but either way, they're amazing mods and they make your Corvette look so much better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mark and I were so busy having fun looking at his new ACS composite front splitter, side skirts, and the rock guards that we forgot to film an outro. So if you enjoyed the video, please give us a big thumbs up If you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed to this channel yet and you enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing by smashing that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Also, everything will be linked in the description below for ACS Composite. Check them out, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a Camaro or a Corvette, they are the ones to go with. They have all sorts of components for your car, and they are so easy to deal with, you won't regret buying from ACS Composite. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you guys out on the road.